Yo, what is good, everybody, and welcome back to another one after a very, very long time. Your boy finally chose to pick up a camera and pick up his parts and work on his car. So, with that being said, let me give you a quick rundown of what's been going on. Honestly, it was just the lack of motivation that I got after a while. Like, yo, I got so close to where, like, all right, what do I do now? But I don't know. I took a break off literally for a day, and ever since then, it was just like I never bothered to come back. So we're gonna fix that today. Sorry if I sound like not me. I'm kind of sick right now, so whatever. I just thought the best way I'm gonna get over it is by working on the car. So today, after many videos of me promising you guys I'm gonna do this, I'm gonna be putting on my header. It's a K-Tune budget 4.2-1. I didn't want to try the long tube or the big tube, I would say, just because I'm not sure on how tight the fitment is gonna be. So I really just wanted to get this first and see how it goes from there, and then maybe if I'm big balling later, I'll go ahead and spend the money and see if it fit. All right, guys. Well, literally, I already got them in. Now I know what you're saying. Well, you ain't show us what's going on. Literally, I swear to God to you guys, I snaked it in from the passenger side this way, and it was small enough to fit, and I got here. So now it's just a matter of jacking the passenger side up with the jack and getting it to fit. So we'll see how it goes from there. Should fit though. It went in pretty smooth, and we're not that far off. So I'm gonna go ahead and retry and see if it'll fit better now. One take. Literally, one take. All right, so right now I have my K-Tune header on, but it's only held on by a bolt. So that's the fitment. That's not bad. I definitely have room for that long tube for sure. So I'm thinking about upgrading later on once the car starts running. Should be soon though. I have the rest of my parts on order. They should be coming in within the next couple days or a week. So yeah, for those of you wondering how it would sit, that's perfect. Honestly, I still can't believe how I snuck it in through the top. Guys, I swear to God, I was just like moving stuff around as far as like seeing how it could go, because if you look here, there's so much room and so much stuff that you can do. It's like I don't have to go through the bottom. Like if this header specifically fit sideways, well, like, you know, whatever, this way, and it went down. Like, it was the easiest install ever. But I know for sure I'm not gonna be able to pull that off with any bigger performance header. So those of you who are running this 4.2-1 header from K-Tuned on a CD5, then you know you could sneak it in from the top. Just make sure you have your exhaust already off. I completely forgot about that thing. Like, I might have scrap it and get some money out of it and dump it right back into the car. But yeah, guys, you know what, since it has been a minute, I am gonna do some extra stuff on camera to go with this video. I have recorded another video prior to it, but I really didn't like how it came out. As you guys can see, there are some changes in the engine bay. I'm not sure if you guys can recognize it, but it's here. I'm gonna do some small stuff right now. I'm gonna actually fill up the radiator with coolant, look for leaks for the bottom hose, and pretty much wish for the best on that bottom hose, because that was a mission. All right, so I am gonna probably use just a little bit off the first jug. So far, so good. Still no spills, guys. Floor still wet. I mean, still dry. Still a lot more to go. There we go. Came out the top. Which actually, I think within the next couple of videos, I'm gonna go ahead and make a custom overflow. I think that would be pretty cool. And clean that off, hit that with some brake cleaner, and yeah, just hook my throttle cable back up 100%. Yeah, this is my little ghetto contraption. Whew. All right, slowly but surely, guys, we are on the road to startup. The clutch fluid, and yeah, I think that's pretty much it for today, fellas. As you guys heard, I had a pre-recorded video that I'm gonna put up, but first I'm gonna put this one up because I know you guys want to see some heat. It's been a while, so you know I'm back in full effect, guys. I'm so sorry about, you know, the laziness and lack of motivation that I had, man, but you know, it happens to the best of us, especially when we're building a car like of any kind. It doesn't even matter. It could be this, H series, F, whatever. Like, you just get tired of dumping money into a car that's just not running. Like, pretty much me, yo. Like, that's my life story. But as the steps are getting closer and closer and closer, you know, I just keep telling myself, yo, gotta keep moving forward, gotta keep moving forward. But as TJ Hunt would say. But thank you guys so much, man. Like, comment, subscribe, and tell me what you guys think, and let me know your feedback on, you know, lack of motivation or anything of the sort. Thank you guys so much for watching, man. Peace. Oh, wait. Before I leave, shout out to all the new subscribers that came along board when your boy was gone. Y'all some real ones. And shout out to the OGs who've been here too. I know it's not much of us, but I appreciate every single one of you, man. Thank you. For real.